Washing machines operate on a simple yet effective principle: agitation. When you load your clothes and add water and detergent, the machine fills the drum, creating a soapy solution. The motor engages, spinning the drum and causing it to rotate in both directions. This movement, along with the friction generated, helps to dislodge dirt and stains from fabrics. Additionally, washing machines use a series of cycles, typically labeled as wash, rinse, and spin. During the rinse cycle, clean water flushes out detergent and dirt, leaving your clothes fresh. The final spin cycle removes excess water, making drying faster. Understanding this process makes laundry day a little less mysterious.